Hello my dear friends, this is the biggest update so far in last 1 month of CUET PG entrance examination 2013 and I hope you all are doing very good. So this is the Jagdesh sir tweet. Recently just he tweeted, I think 20 minutes ago, the video I am making at 10 o'clock and he published it 9:44 o'clock. Okay, so 29 May, that is the recent update and exclusive news. I am just telling you that he is writing that NTA is working on releasing the city information slips on 31st May for CUET PG starting on 5th June. So now it is very 101% now it's clear, there is no doubt that official examination date is now clear and guys now gear up, you have to 5th से आपका एग्जामिनेशन क्लियर हो जाएगा। और जैसा कि मैंने कहा था, टुडे आई ऑलरेडी मेड वन मोर वीडियो, इनमें मैंने बोला था कि विद इन 2 days यू विल बी गेट इन्फॉर्मेशन स्लिप अबाउट द सिटी एंड यू विल गेट एडमिट कार्ड आफ्टर 3-4 days, दैट इज फ्रॉम 2nd they will be releasing admit card. Whatever information I provided, that is very authentic, and in between I must tell you, if you have not subscribed the channel, see I have never kind of put any kind of deceit information. Since beginning I have been guiding you, I have been posting all the authentic information. If you go any of my previous video, I have never misguided, so have faith in me, please respect my experience. I actually go through all the research, all the possibilities, then I say anything. I don't look into the news and just copy paste. Please believe in me, have trust in me, and the news is very actually positive for everyone. And most probably I am telling you कि एग्जाम जो आपका 5th of June से होगा, it will go till 17th of June, and in between after 5th or after 5th एग्जाम होगा, फिर there will be 2-3 days gap, then again it will be on 9th 10th 11th, then again 1 day gap, then it will go till 17th. And आपका I think within 1 or 2 days once you will get the city information center, then only you will also get the subject wise your that date, on which date, which slot, which time you will have your exam. So please guys subscribe the channel and please share the this information, this video among your friends whosoever in the panic. And in between I must tell you, we have launched this Navinomic app. You can see the logo, please download this, and especially for CUET PG economics, the best quality, the affordable content you can find here. So many special courses, free courses, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, so many courses are there. You can get it and you can just avail the true knowledge, the affordable knowledge for your exam preparation. So chalo then, wish you all the best. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and if any updates come, if more detailed anything comes, I will definitely update on my Telegram channel. Telegram link is just given below, and I will also upload the video on my YouTube channel guys. Please stay tuned, please subscribe the channel and keep supporting, keep loving me. Thank you so much guys, and chalo keep preparing hard. All the best and wish you, chalo see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care guys.